Alright, tamang mini vlog muna to show you my last 3 days of August. So, September na, no? Malapit na pagpasko. So, may mga humabol na events. Medyo madami in the last 3 days. I had 4 events. So, first event was Flash Mob sa RCBC Plaza with prestigious strings. So, ayan. Yung rehearsal namin was held sa 19th floor. Medyo nakakalula pero okay naman. Ayan, shoutout Misha. Ganda shoes mo. Ayan, so after a few moments of our rehearsals, we had to go down to the lobby ng RCBC Plaza. So we serenaded people going to their break, and hopefully makarami pa kami dito, no? Kasi masaya din yung crowd na parang, bigla may lumabas na ganun. Then right after, we went to Taguig for a wedding gig. So biglaan lang talaga. So I think it was booked 2 days prior. And so, konting snippets lang. Just played for the ceremony. And again, congratulations to the newlyweds. We hope you enjoyed our performance. They didn't request a lot of songs, so we played some standard wedding tunes for them. So, canon hindi, yung mga common. Yun yung gusto din ng client. So, parang technically, regalo niya kami sa couple on this special occasion. So, yun. Okay, so right after nung mismong event na yun, I went back to the cafe kasi may nagpadala ng product to sample. It's a type of coconut milk. So, parang milk substitute. Nung na-try namin, medyo okay for my palate. Some people didn't like it sa aming group. But yeah, kung gusto nyo makita sa Daddy G Cafe, just comment down below and we'll try to make it happen. Okay, on the next day, we went to Lipa, Batangas with Pia Magana. So, ano lang din, reception naman ito. Ayan, so parang nakabuong wedding ako within 3 days. Ayan. So, ayan. So, if you want your ears protected, of course, get your earplugs. Ililink ko sa baba sa ating yellow basket. So, please do check it out. Ayan. So, lagi kong ginagamit to, especially kapag may mga malalaking speakers to protect your hearing. And then, my last event would be our concert sa Daddy G Cafe entitled Reflection. It's like a look back into music, no, Filipino music, para kasing buwan ng wika. So, ayan, I'll leave you with a few snippets and I hope you enjoy our music. Comment down below kung gusto niyo mga ganitong mini vlogs sa susunod. Enjoy!